Dear friends, in class 11 we are studying third chapter trigonometric functions, and in exercise 3.3 we have the 8th question. Cos of pi plus x into cos of minus x upon sin of pi minus x into cos of pi by 2 plus x is equal to cot square x. This is what we need to prove. So for this, consider LHS. So consider LHS. LHS is equal to cos of pi plus x into cos of minus x upon sin of pi minus x into cos of pi by 2 plus x. So for this we have the identities. Cos of pi plus theta is equal to minus cos of theta. Then cos of minus theta, that is minus x, is equal to cos of theta itself. Even if the angle changes, it remains same. Then for this we have sin of pi minus x or pi minus theta is equal to sin of theta itself. And cos of pi by 2 plus theta we have minus sin of theta. So by using these values, LHS becomes, please note, LHS, these are the four identities that we are going to use here: pi plus theta, cos of minus theta, sin of pi minus theta, and cos of pi by 2 plus theta. So cos of pi plus theta is this first identity. We have to get minus cos of the angle, that is x. And cos of minus x, cos of minus theta is equal to cos of theta itself. It means this is equal to cos of x, cos x itself. Cos of minus x is equal to cos x. So it is minus cos x into cos x. Then sin of pi minus x, sin of pi minus theta is equal to sin theta. So this becomes sin of x itself into cos of pi by 2. Cos of pi by 2 plus theta is equal to minus sin of. So this becomes multiplied by minus sin of x. So please note, minus, this becomes minus cos square x upon minus sin into sin is sin square x. So sin gets eliminated. We have cos upon sin is equal to cot. So it means this is equal to cot square x. That is equal to RHS. Hence, we can say that the question is proved. Hence, proved. Dear friends, in class 11, we are studying third chapter trigonometric functions and exercise 3.3. In the ninth question is, prove the following: cos of 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos of 2 pi plus x into cot of 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot of 2 pi plus x is equal to 1. In order to prove this, let us consider LHS first. So consider LHS. LHS is equal to cos of 3 pi upon 2 x into cos of 2 pi plus x into cot of 3 pi upon 2 minus x plus cot of 2 pi plus x. This is left hand side. Let us solve this left hand side. Now please note, we have already studied that all the trigonometric ratios get repeated after 2 pi. We have already studied this. That is, 2 pi is this, 0, 2 pi, again 4 pi, again 6 pi. So after 2 pi, the trigonometric ratios get repeated. It means all the ratios, sin of 2 pi plus x is equal to sin x, cos of 2 pi plus x is equal to cos x, and this is true for all the trigonometric ratios. So let us see now this cot of 2 pi plus x, and here cos of 2 pi plus x will is getting repeated. It means this is equal to cos x and this is equal to cot x. Other things we will solve, we will try to understand little later. So this becomes cos of 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos of x multiplied by, please note this is 2 pi plus x becomes cos x, that is all trigonometric ratios get repeated after 2 pi radians. This is next is 2 pi 3 cot of 3 pi upon 2 minus x plus cot of x. Now let us try to understand this. Cos of 3 pi by 2 plus x. We have solved earlier problems and we have arranged the numerator in the form of denominator. So 3 pi upon 2 becomes, this is equal to cos of 3 pi means 2 pi plus pi. 2 pi plus pi upon 2 plus x into cos x. Cot is cos of, we have written all the trigonometric ratios for sin and cos, so we will also write for this also cos in form of cos and sin. So this becomes cos of 3 pi means 2 pi plus pi upon 2 minus x, and upon sin of 2 pi plus pi, that is 3 pi upon 2 minus x plus cot of x. Now let us try to solve this. This becomes cos of 2 pi. If you separate the denominator, you will get pi plus pi upon 2 plus x into cos x. This also becomes cos of pi plus pi by 2 minus x upon sin of pi plus pi by 2 minus x plus cot of x. Now we have the identity for cos of pi plus x and sin of pi plus x. Cos of pi plus x is equal to minus cos x, and cos of pi plus x is equal to minus sin x. So please note this is pi plus, I am going to consider this total angle, here also this total angle and this total angle as x. So this becomes LHS is equal to cos of pi plus this is minus cos of pi by 2 plus x into cos of, again this becomes cos x in bracket cos of minus cos of, please note sign changes, minus cos of pi by 2 minus x upon, this becomes sin of minus sin of pi upon 2 minus x plus cot x. Now we have the identity for cos of pi by 2 plus x. Then we also have the identity for cos of pi by 2 minus x and sin of pi by 2 minus x. And these identities are cos pi by 2 plus x is minus sin x, cos pi by 2 minus x is sin x, and sin of pi by 2 minus x is cos x. So if you put in this, you will get cos of pi by 2 plus x is minus, minus into minus will become plus, so LHS is equal to, LHS will be equal to, after this LHS will be minus into minus is plus sin of x into cos x as it is in bracket cos of pi by 2 minus x, cos of pi by 2 minus x is sin x. This minus sign eliminates with the minus sign, and cos of pi by 2 minus x is sin x. upon sine of pi by 2 minus x is cos x plus cot means again cos upon sine, cos x upon sine x. Now therefore this becomes sin x into cos x, sin x cos x upon cos x plus sin x. So please note this is denominators are different, so to add we need to cross multiply, so this becomes sin x into cos x outside the bracket as it is. This becomes sin x into sin x is sin square x plus cos x into cos x is cos square x upon cos x into sin x is equal to sin x into cos x. Now please note we have the identity for sin square x plus cos square x. This sin square x plus cos square x is 1 and numerator sin x upon cos x and denominator sin x upon cos x gets eliminated. This gets eliminated with this and total value of this is also 1. So this becomes 1 into 1, that is equal to 1. It means this is equal to RHS. So please note we were asked to prove cos of 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos of 2 pi plus x multiplied by bracket cot of 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot of 2 pi plus x equals to 1. So in this way we can prove the question.